In this video, we'll talk about the newest technology trends for this year. Technology is evolving at a rapid pace today, allowing for faster change and progress, resulting in an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it is not only technology trends and emerging technologies that are evolving. Much more has changed this year as a result of the outbreak of COVID-19, making IT professionals realize that their role in the contactless world will not remain the same tomorrow. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade, but it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work, and play are only in the early stages. AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. Other than that, AI will be used further to analyze interactions, to determine underlying connections and insights, to help predict demand for services like hospitals, enabling authorities to make better decisions about resource utilization, and to detect the changing patterns of customer behavior by analyzing data in near real time, driving revenues and enhancing personalized experience. Mastering AI and machine learning will help you secure jobs like AI research scientist, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, AI architect. 2. Robotic process automation, RPA. Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation, or RPA, is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. Although Forrester Research estimates RPA automation will threaten the livelihood of 230 million or more knowledge workers, or approximately 9% of the global workforce, RPA is also creating new jobs while altering existing jobs. McKinsey finds that less than 5% of occupations can be totally automated, but about 60% can be partially automated. Mastering RPA will help you secure high-paying jobs like RPA developer, RPA analyst, RPA architect. 3. Edge computing, formerly a new technology trend to watch. Cloud computing has become mainstream, with major players AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution, but it's no longer the emerging technology trend. Edges. As the quantity of data organizations is dealing with continues to increase, they have realized the shortcomings of cloud computing in some situations. Edge computing is designed to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to a data center for processing. It can exist on the edge, if you will, closer to where computing needs to happen. For this reason, edge computing can be used to process time-sensitive data in remote locations with limited or no connectivity to a centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data centers. Keeping in line with cloud computing, including new age edge and quantum computing, will help you grab amazing jobs like Cloud Reliability Engineer, Cloud Infrastructure Engineer, Cloud Architect and Security Architect, DevOps Cloud Engineer. 4. Quantum computing. Next remarkable technology trend is quantum computing, which is a form of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. This amazing technology trend is also involved in preventing the spread of the coronavirus and to develop potential vaccines, thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data, regardless of the source. Another field where quantum computing is finding applications is banking and finance, to manage credit risk, for high-frequency trading and fraud detection. Quantum computers are now a multitude times faster than regular computers, and huge brands like Splunk, Honeywell, Microsoft, Oz, Google, and many others are now involved in making innovations in the field of quantum computing. The revenues for the global quantum computing market are projected to surpass $2.5 billion by 2029. And to make a mark in this new trending technology, you need to have experience with quantum mechanics, linear algebra, probability, information theory, and machine learning. 5. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trend, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, and extended reality, ER. VR immerses the user in an environment, while AR enhances their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for training, as with Virtual Ship, a simulation software used to train US Navy, Army, and Coast Guard ship captains. In 2022, we can expect these forms of technologies being further integrated into our lives, usually working in tandem with some of the other emerging technologies we've mentioned in this list. AR and VR have enormous potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even rehabilitation after an injury. Either could be used to train doctors to do surgery, offer museum goers a deeper experience, enhance theme parks, or even enhance marketing, as with this Pepsi Max bus shelter. 6. Blockchain. Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from or change. Hence the term chain, because you're making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous blocks is what makes it so secure. In addition, blockchains are consensus-driven, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need a trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. Several industries are involving and implementing blockchain, and as the use of blockchain technology increases, so too does the demand for skilled professionals. From a bird's eye view, a blockchain developer specializes in developing and implementing architecture and solutions using blockchain technology. The average yearly salary of a blockchain developer is Rs 469K. 7. Internet of Things, IoT. Another promising new technology trend is IoT. Many things are now being built with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet and to each other. Hence, the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things is the future and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars, and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet. As consumers, we're already using and benefiting from IoT. We can lock our doors remotely if we forget to when we leave for work and preheat our ovens on our way home from work, all while tracking our fitness on our Fitbits. However, businesses also have much to gain now and in the near future. The IoT can enable better safety, efficiency, and decision-making for businesses as data is collected and analyzed. It can enable predictive maintenance, speed up medical care, improve customer service, and offer benefits we haven't even imagined yet. 8. 5G. The next technology trend that follows the IoT is 5G, where 3G and 4G technologies have enabled us to browse the internet, use data-driven services, increased bandwidths for streaming on Spotify or YouTube, and so much more. 5G services are expected to revolutionize our lives. By enabling services that rely on advanced technologies like AR and VR, alongside cloud-based gaming services like Google Stadia, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and much more. It is expected to be used in factories, HD cameras that help improve safety and traffic management, smart grid control, and smart retail too. Just about every telecom company like Verizon, T-Mobile, Apple, Nokia Corp, Qualcomm are now working on creating 5G applications. 5G networks will cover 40% of the world by 2024. Handling 25% of all mobile traffic data, making it an emerging technology trend you must watch out for, and also save a spot in. 9. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity might not seem like an emerging technology, given that it has been around for a while, but it is evolving just as other technologies are. That's in part because threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find ways to get through even the toughest security measures. It's also in part because technology is being adapted to enhance security. As long as we have hackers, cybersecurity will remain a trending technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers. 10. Big Data Analytics. Big data has been helping big and small businesses to reduce the cost of operations and enhance the overall consumer experience. Since its invention with the advancement in technology, there is an immense list of changes that will be seen on the big data front. Data-driven consumer analytics will change the industry for good by providing personalized recommendations and enhancing the sale of the company, while delivering a personal experience that will increase the rate of customer retention. Predictive analysis. Another practical application of big data analytics is that helping businesses in predicting future trends based on the current and previous data from a revenue point of view. Big data analytics is of great importance to the business that wants to make it big in the year 2022. 10. New technology trends, and one solution is to succeed in them. Although technologies are emerging and evolving all around us, these 10 technology trends offer promising career potential now and for the foreseeable future. And most of these trending technologies are welcoming skilled professionals, meaning the time is right for you to choose one. Get trained and get on board at the early stages of these trending technologies, positioning you for success now and in the future. These are the technologies you didn't know. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. See you next time.